Hi guys, today you are watching tips and tricks. Here are the codes. You can get spins from codes. This is fighting style. You can get different fighting styles. Legendary, mythic, rare, or uncommon. And you can use them in fights. You can find maps and gloves in the shop. You can buy them. Here you can fight players. Here, someone wants to fight me. If he enters the box, then its game starts. This is the gameplay. You can dodge them. You can dodge the punch of the enemy.